Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished doing a suspension build on a 2017 Husqvarna FE450. This rider does off-road riding. Here in California, he often rides Ocotillo Wells, Johnson Valley, Honda Valley, and also some trails local to him in the San Diego area. The front forks, he opted for the MX Tech Lucky cartridges. These replaced the stock WP Explorer forks. If you have any experience with those stock forks, you'll notice that they are very comfortable to ride on slow single track terrain and type riding. But beyond that, they are very soft for any other type riding. And also the clickers aren't very efficient in making the forks feel any different. So the Lucky is a great upgrade compared to that. It gives you a rebound clicker on top for both forks, and now a compression clicker on bottom of each fork as well. And also the clickers actually work. So if you turn the clickers in or out, you can make the suspension softer or stiffer. On the rear shock, he went with the MX Tech National Shock. The shock is also made by MX Tech. It is their complete shock offering, something that they've been working on in development for a long time. I remember when Jeremy Wilkie showed me a very early version of this shock at Glen Helen during a ride day there. And this was when I was still in Arizona. So easily 6, 7, 8 years ago. It's really cool to see how far along he's come with this MX Tech National Shock and the features that it has and the quality of the finish on it as well. As you can see up top, we got 3 adjusters: a low speed compression, mid speed compression, and a high speed compression. And on bottom, we have the rebound adjuster like you would normally find. The shock is very light as well. Features all aluminum construction for the body. The shock shaft is a steel shock shaft, or hardened steel, and it is also DLC coated. This shock was built by MX Tech. We told them the rider, the type of riding that they're doing, and they built it to their off-road setting, and then they provided it to us to install on the bike. The Lucky cartridges we installed into the forks ourselves here at the shop, to a setting that would match this shock as well. So a very cool setup. He's going to be stoked with how much better his bike is going to ride now, and also how more effective his suspension clickers and adjustments can be. Ride JBI has been an authorized dealer and service center for MX Tech for quite a long time. So any of their products you're interested in, we often carry in stock, or we can order it from them very quickly. All JBI services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com. Thank you for watching.